Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make this gorgeous earring, and I even made a matching bracelet. So let's begin. Our materials: I have seed beads 11O, two colors. I have the brown Irish and gold, and I also have two sizes of Bicone. This is 4mm and this is 3mm, and earring hooks, and my beading needle number 11, and this is the thread I'm going to use. So let's begin. First, I pick up my gold seed bead, 1, and then 5 brown, and then 1 gold, and then 5 brown, 1 gold, 5 brown, 1 gold, 5 brown, 1 gold, 5 brown, 1 gold, and 5 brown. I'm going to pass through all the beads. Then I'll pick up three gold, then pick up another 3, pick up another 3, then continue adding 3, 3, and 3. So I pick up 3, then I'll pick up my thread is coming out, and I'll pick up my 3mm bicone and pass through the next, pick up another 1, Pick up another one. And I'll just pass through one more time. Then pass through gold. Pick up 3. Then pass through the 3rd brown color. Then pick up another 3. 3 of brown. Then pass through and exit to gold. Pick up another 3 gold. And exit to the 3rd brown. Then pick up another 3 brown. Then exit to gold. Then pick up 3 gold. Exit to the 3rd brown. And I'm going to continue adding 311, here brown, and then here gold until here. My last 3 brown. Then I'll pick up my Bicone 4mm Bicone. So pick up 1, pass through, pick up another 1, then I'm going to continue adding Bicone 4mm until here. Pick up my last 4mm Bicone. Now pick up 3 gold, pass through Bicone, the brown and the Bicone, and pick up another 3, pass through Bicone, the brown and Bicone, pick up another 3, so pick up 5, Hey guys, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And for those who already joined, thank you so much. And I'm going to just continue passing through all the beads to reinforce and make some couple of knots before I cut my thread. Just make one more. It's done. It's pretty pretty. And it's easy to make. And it's beautiful with a matching bracelet. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, everyone, and happy beading.